Hey guys, welcome to this new Blender tutorial, and today we will see how to model this shape step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so first let's delete everything. Now let's add a cylinder. Over here, let's make its vertices 16. Here, let's scale this cylinder on the Z-axis 2 times. Press 2 on the keyboard when scaling. Then let's add a cube, and snapping-wise, let's move it up. Press Control when moving up to snap to the grid. Then snapping-wise, let's move it to the right. Then over here, select vertices and snapping. Then let's move it to the right, snap with this vertex, then scale in Y to make this bigger. And here, select this and move it up a little. Then select this cylinder and let's add a Boolean modifier. And with the dropper, select the cube, then hide the cube. And then we will apply the modifier. Then over here, select these side faces and delete them. Then over here, let's add 3 loop cuts. And over here, let's select these vertices and join them one by one, this way. Then select these side faces and delete them, and then add a mirror modifier. Select X and Y axis and turn on clipping. Then here, select this vertex and let's do cursor to selection. Then select these vertices and let's go over here and select the spin tool. Then see which axis we have to rotate and then rotate like this. Over here in options for angle, we will do 90 degrees and we'll change the step something like this. Then select these edges and dissolve them. Then with the knife tool, let's add a cut here. Then let's slide these vertices over here. Here, there are some overlapping double vertices. So let's select everything and let's merge by distance. Then let's slide these vertices this way. Then over here, let's add a loop cut and snap with this vertex, and then merge by distance. Over here, we'll add loop cuts so that there are square-looking faces. Now let's add a subdiv modifier. Also apply the scale for the object, and then let's go over here and select these edges, and let's bevel them. Here in options, make it 2 segments, and for shape, make it complete 1. Over here, after beveling, the edges have slightly moved, as you can see. So here we'll select this part and move it on the x-axis and snap with this vertex, then move it on the y-axis and again snap. This vertex will also move and snap here. Activate subdiv, shade smooth and select wireframe. Now this looks good and also this shape is done. Okay. Here, one more thing we can do. So here I will undo this part. Then here we'll apply the modifiers. Over here, select these edges and add an edge crease. This will keep the edges sharp, and then apply the subdiv modifier. Then remove the edge crease. And now let's bevel these edges. Then shade smooth and add a subdiv modifier. Then turn on wireframe, and now you can see this shape is complete and it looks really good. So we are done with modeling this shape. Like, share, comment, and give your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one.